Hey everybody, this is Ryan, and in this video, I'm gonna show you how to take this and turn it into this. Now, this video is gonna give a full, detailed description and review of this Christmas tree. How long it took to assemble, close-up shots of the actual tree so you can see the details of the leaves, the lights, and then everything that goes along with it. And by the end of the video, if you're searching for a Christmas tree, you will know if this is the one for you. Let's get into it. All right, so this is what it looks like completely assembled. So the Christmas tree has a total height with the stand of 7.5 feet. I think there's a couple different options on sizes, but this one is that tall. And this is a close-up of just the lights. As you can see, these are LED lights, and that is what the, I guess the leaf material looks like. It does come with pine cones and these holly-style berries. The pack shows us about 600 total LEDs are on the tree. The base, as you might have seen in the video, comes together. It's folded up, and there's 3 hand screws. You just put the bottom section in there. Then there's a middle section and there's a top section that all kind of stack together, and you open it up and then you fan out the individual branches. If they're, so from a packaging standpoint, they might be bent. You just straighten them up. And the LEDs connect. You can see there's the number 1. Those can actually come off, but they're just quick connects. They screw together, and then there's 3 different light sections that go all the way up. It has an extension cord here. I'd say that's about 6 feet. And from a width standpoint, this is about 48 inches on the width. The base is 24 inches, just to kind of give you an idea from the base standpoint. And then you have your connection here. You got a couple different options when it comes to the old illumination. So you have flashing, fading, your full multicolor option. That one flashes as well. You have fading as well with that color. Then you have a back and forth from the warm light to this. It's the warm light is the lights there. Then you have another fade option. And I believe there's 11 different total options there that you can select from. Total time to put this together was right at about 20 minutes nonstop. I would say that would be pretty much the first time you're going to install it is going to be the longest, because from the packaging you're going to have to pull this part apart. But then when you store it, it's not going to take as long because you're not going to have to fluff this as much. You'll definitely have to fluff it, but I'd say 20, maybe 25 minutes nonstop. And that was just with one person. More than one person would make that a lot quicker. And you have plenty of room for any additional decorations you want on there. So if you're looking for a Christmas tree, hopefully this gets all your questions answered, and we'll talk to you soon.